Bubble.io versus Webflow, what's the difference? Which is better for creating a website or perhaps a web app, Bubble.io or Webflow? In this video, we will compare Bubble.io versus Webflow to help you decide which one is right for you. What is Bubble.io and what does it offer users compared to Webflow? Bubble.io is a web app builder that allows users to build web apps and websites without coding knowledge. Bubble allows content creation on mobile devices, which can be useful when planning your site design in terms of user experience. What is Webflow and what does it offer users compared to Bubble.io? Webflow was created mainly for designers who want to build their own interactive web pages without having to use generic HTML website builders like Bubble. Webflow was created mainly for designers. How easy is it to use Bubble.io compared to Webflow? Bubble is very similar to Wix and Weebly, so it can be very easy to use for those who are not experienced in coding or by experienced web developers. Webflow, on the other hand, requires some technical knowledge because it was made specifically for professional designers to create interactive pages. Which platform offers more features and flexibility for users? Bubble.io wins this one by a landslide because Bubble.io offers more features than Webflow, like Bubble panels, a drag-and-drop template editor that saves you time. Bubble blocks, a way to create custom modules. Bubble plugins, allows for integration with many other web services. Bubble Starter, their own starter website, and Bubble templates, ready-made templates. Bubble.io is incredibly user-friendly, even if you aren't experienced in coding or design. Which platform is easier to use? Webflow is the clear winner here because it was built specifically for designers who already know how to code and build beautiful websites/apps. Bubble.io is great for non-designers because it's not as complex, but it still has a slight learning curve to figure out how to use Bubble panels and Bubble blocks. Which platform offers better support? Webflow wins this one because they offer live chat, which Bubble.io does not, email, community boards, Q&A forums, video tutorials and blog posts all in one place. Bubble.io wins here because the basic Bubble account is free while Webflow is $25 per month, which can add up if you need just one page for your website or app. Pros of using Bubble.io versus Webflow. Bubble.io pros. That's a pretty big benefit, considering Bubble offers a free 14-day trial period. This means that you can use Bubble for your website or mobile app without spending any extra money on hosting fees. Webflow pros. One of the benefits to using this platform is that it seamlessly connects with other web tools like Dropbox, Gmail, or Slack to make it easy for you. Webflow also has a built-in message board where Bubble users can post questions and concerns about the Bubble platform to other Bubble developers. Cons of using Webflow versus Bubble.io. For Bubble users who have never used Bubble before, Bubble has a beginner mode that is more basic and meant for those just starting out. Bubble also has a beginner mode that allows those new to Bubble or Bubble development learn Bubble design more easily. Cons of using Bubble.io versus Webflow. 3. Bubble has a beginner mode, which makes Bubble design easier for novices. 4. Bubble and Webflow both have pros and cons, so it's best to try out both Bubble.io and Webflow before you choose one over the other. To read the full article, click on the link in the description.